If you want to add an account to Outlook, here's how you can do it. First, search for Outlook and open the app. Make sure you're in the Mail section, and from bottom, you will find the Add Account option. Just click on it, and now enter the email you want to add. I go for a Gmail account and tap Continue. Since it's a Gmail account, tap Continue again, and you will be redirected to a website. Click Next and enter your email password, and tap Next again. And select the permissions Microsoft can access and tap Continue. From here, click this little box and tap Open. And it may take some time to add your account. Once it's done, you will see a confirmation message that your account was successfully added to Outlook. Isn't it really easy? I hope this guide helpful. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.